Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A5 fuel cap. It's a simple process once you know where to look. First, make sure your vehicle is completely unlocked. The fuel flap is located on the right rear side of your car. Unlike some older models, the Audi A5 uses an electronic release for the fuel cap, making it very convenient to access your fuel tank. Once your Audi A5 is unlocked, simply walk to the rear right side of the car. To open the fuel flap, gently press on its rear edge. You'll feel a slight click, and the flap will spring open a small amount. This indicates the electronic release has engaged. If it doesn't open, double-check that your car is fully unlocked before trying again. With the fuel flap open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. It should unscrew easily. Once removed, place the cap in the holder provided on the inside of the fuel flap. This prevents it from getting lost or damaged while you refuel your Audi A5. After refueling, screw the fuel cap back on by turning it clockwise. Make sure to tighten it until you hear a click, indicating it's sealed properly. Then, gently push the fuel flap closed until it sits flush with the car's body. You'll hear a soft click as it latches securely. Always confirm the flap is fully closed before you drive away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.